Rudy Amano. Can we call everybody?
Wow.
Pwede na photographer na lang ako.
Di pwede.
Alright.
And then also we have the secretary. The secretary is Oliva, Miss
Attorney.
Attorney Oliva.
Attorney O.
Attorney O. And then we have the treasurer.
Treasurer.
Anakin Bean.
Sabi ni Lito, ayaw doon niya ng title ng treasurer. Gusto doon niya CFO.
CFO. Okay. And the auditor, we have Marcy. Okay. May I call? Okay. I need complete silence. Everyone, I need complete silence. May I call on Tita Dolor to do the oath of office, the induction. I have it ready. Ate, ikaw. Sandali.
Binabasa pa niya attorney in brief.
Hindi pa na tumay eh. Ayaw niya masakin.
Ay, wala.
Ayun. Ang president na si Jojo Caritos. Ang vice president na si Norling Grano. Bayo ko si Rudy. Iyon ang ating secretary. Sinito ang vice president.
Quiet. I state your name. I, Marcy Reyes. And your title. Auditor.
Vice President.
Do solemnly swear
Do solemnly swear
that I will faithfully
that I will faithfully
execute the duties
execute the duties
and responsibilities of this position
this position
according to the Constitution and bylaws of Akaska.
according to the Constitution and bylaws of Alaska.
That I further affirm
That I further affirm
my commitment
my commitment
to the officers and members
to the officers and members
of this association
of this association
and to the spirit
and the spirit
and intent of the association's goals and objectives.
association goals and objectives.
Furthermore,
Furthermore,
I hereby affirm
hereby affirm
that this acceptance of responsibility
that this acceptance of
and
responsibility
declaration
and declaration
of purpose
of purpose
is given without hesitation
is given without hesitation
and free of any mental reservations.
and free of any mental reservation.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Yes!
Alright.
Congratulations! Congratulations!
And now, congratulations everybody. And to celebrate your appointments, we have invited Banda Pula ng Malabon, numero 2.
Marty, arrange mo July 4 sa Tito's Pizza. Oh, ganon.
Congratulations, Vice President! Madam,
Now
Vice President.
For your first official duties, we'd like to call the officers to be at the center of the room so you can start the line dance. Officers! Officers! Sa gitna.
Magla-line dance daw kayo.
Line dance daw.
Okay, fall in line.
Okay, fall in line.
I decided to be Vice President. Ang mga buko dyan eh, po as photographer na hindi na president.
Okay, for the official turnover, we'd like to call technically now the past president and the new president for a picture.
Let's call all the past presidents. Nico.
And all the past presidents.
Yeah, can we call on all the past presidents?
Kasi
Ito. President.
Okay, all the presidents.
Ito. Hindi mo nawawala. Hindi nawawala. Naka-video yan. Paki-ano mo lang.
The future.
Congrats.
Where is Juju? Juju, why you're supposed to come? Sa gitna siya dapat. Hindi, no. Yeah. Dito kayo, dito. Parang tayo magkasya lahat.
thank you, excited na po. Yan, yan.
Video to ha, video.
Ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, line dance.
Dan!
Thank you. Congratulations everyone.
Iko, send mo nga sa akin.
Hindi, wala matagal ko. Kasi ano siya. Tapos din. Stop na muna natin.
Nasaan na si Wenny? Wenny. Teka muna, i-announce muna natin yung winner. Yeah.
Ate Maricar, nasaan ka?
Si Chito.
Maricar!
Chito! Ikit ka pa, hinahag kanina pa. Abay ko kulang ng video ko ah. Ano ginagawa niya sa labas?
Winner is
Pamilya ka rito.